Hey everybody, let's do another problem. I want to talk about how to find the quality on a Mollier diagram given the enthalpy and the pressure. So let's take a look at that. So what we have is we have 500 PSIA, and let's work with an enthalpy of 1,115 BTUs per pound mass. So let's find that on our Mollier diagram. First off, let's look at the pressure lines. So we'll zoom in here a little bit. We got 100, 200, 300, 500. And we'll change the color here so it stands out a little bit. So here is the 500 PSIA line. And then the other thing we know is enthalpy. We know we have an enthalpy of 1,115 BTUs per pound mass. So if we go down here, we know we're dealing with that. So let's follow that across. We're in the middle of these two enthalpy lines here. And we know this 500 PSIA line is this blue line that runs right here. So what we're looking for is where that crosses the middle here. And if you can see, the 500 PSIA line crosses this 1,115 BTUs per pound mass enthalpy line right on, and I'm going to change the color here, right on this quality line. So this moisture content line. So let's follow this moisture content line down. We're going to follow it all the way, and it's 12. And we know that quality is equal to 100 minus moisture content. And so quality equals 88%. And then that's how we found it on the Mollier diagram. So it's just a matter of finding the intersections and understanding what lines you're working with. In this case, these are the enthalpy lines, all these horizontal straight lines. The pressure lines run this way. And then the moisture content, moisture quality lines are these curved lines that run through there. Okay? I hope that helps. Thanks.